In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to Microsoft Teams from Microsoft Stream. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Teams and navigating to the channel where you want to share the video. Click Chat in the left rail. If you happen to use the separate Teams view, click Teams instead. Now click your test team. In this walkthrough, the team is called Video Sharing Demo. Once the team opens, click the channel you want to post in. Here, the channel is called Training Updates. At the top of the channel, click Posts to make sure you're in the conversation view. Next, we're going to open the stream video from the channel files. At the top of the channel, click Shared. If your tenant still shows Files instead of Shared, then click Files. Locate and click the video file you want to share. In this example, the file is called Quarterly Training Update.mp4. Wait a moment for the Microsoft 365 video player to open in the browser. The page will load the video preview along with the playback controls. Now we'll copy the video share link. In the upper right area of the video player, click Share to open the sharing menu. Inside the sharing menu, click Copy Link. Wait a moment until the menu confirms that the link has been successfully copied to your clipboard. With the link copied, it's time to post the stream video in Teams. Return to the Microsoft Teams tab in your browser. Click Posts at the top of the channel to bring up the conversation area again. Near the Compose area, click Start a Post. If your channel shows Start a New Post instead, click Start a New Post. Type a short intro message in the Compose box. In this example, the intro reads, "Here's the quarterly training update." Take your time typing it out so the message reads clearly. Move to the next line in the Compose box and paste the copied video link you saved earlier. Wait a moment for Teams to process the link. It will display a video preview card directly under the pasted link. Once the preview card appears, click Post or Send in the Compose box to publish your message. The Training Updates channel now has a new post containing the stream video link along with a playable video card. Channel members can open the card straight from Teams instead of hunting for the video in Stream or SharePoint. Congratulations, you've successfully added a video to Microsoft Teams from